Hello friends, welcome to MAT Accounting for Joint Stock Company. Under this we are going to discuss issue of debentures. Debenture means it is an borrowing. Let's see little detail. Debenture is a long-term loan borrowed by the company under its common seal and repayable at the time of maturity. Till maturity period, company should pay interest to debenture holder. So debenture is a type of loan issued by the joint stock company. Private company and sole trade proprietorship cannot issue the debentures. Only joint stock companies can issue the debenture. It's type of borrowing. A company used to borrow for long term and the company will pay interest till the maturity date. And terms of issue, we have three terms of issue. Number one is in debentures issued at par. Number two, debentures issued at premium. And number three, debentures issued at discount. In this video, we are going to discuss about debentures issued at par. In the next videos, we will discuss about issue at premium and issue at discount. Let's see a practical problem. Issue of debenture at par. A Biocon Limited issued 5,000 9% debenture for rupees 100 each. The amount payable as follows: rupees 30 on application, rupees 30 on allotment, rupees 40 on first and final call. All the debentures were subscribed and the money duly received. Pass the journal entries. First we'll discuss the question. A total number of debentures issued by the company 5,000 and the rate per debenture is in 100. Those who want to invest, they should invest multiple of 100 up to 5,000 debentures. So 5,000 into 100, total 5 lakh rupees a company going to raise a loan through debentures. This 5 lakh rupees a debenture holder need not to pay at one installment. They can pay in 3 installment. A company going to collect 30 rupees on application and 30 rupees on allotment and the balance 40 on first and final call. Let's see the working note. A 9% debentures 5,000 into 100. This 9% is an rate of interest. 5,000 into 100, total 5 lakh rupees a company going to raise a loan from the public as a debenture. This 5 lakh rupees a company going to collect in 3 installment. A first installment is an debenture application 5,000 into 30 each, 1,50,000. Those who want to invest in debenture, they should apply first. And the second installment 9% debenture allotment account 5,000 into 30 each, 1,50,000. And the last installment company will collect the debenture first and final call 5,000 into 40, 2 lakh. This total 5 lakh rupees a company going to collect in 3 installment. 1,50,000 in first installment at the time of application, 1,50,000 in the second installment at the time of allotment, and the last installment 2 lakh rupees as a first and final call. So total 5 lakh a company collecting in 3 installment. Now we will see how to record the transactions in the journal. We should write the heading journal entries in the books of Biocon Company Limited, and we should make the format of date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. We know well the company going to collect 5 lakh rupees loan from the public in the way of debenture in 3 installment. All the installment the debenture holder should deposit into the company's bank account. Now first installment bank account debit to 9% debenture application account 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Here we debited the bank according to American approach. When asset increase we need to debit it. So at the time of depositing amount into the company's bank account, the bank balance increase, so we need to debit at the time of increasing bank balance. And we should write the narration being 9% debenture application money received for 5,000 debentures of rupees 30 each. After receiving application money, a company will transfer this application money to debenture account. So 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debenture account 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Here we credited debenture. Debenture come under liability for the business. Liability means it is payable in the future. So it is a liability for the business. So when liability increase in business, we need to credit it. We should write the narration being 9% debenture application money transferred to debenture account. So after collecting application money, now company going to collect a second installment as a allotment. A company after receiving applications, the company will allot the debenture. After allotment, the debenture holder should pay the second installment. So 9% debenture allotment account debit to 9% debenture account 1,50,000, 1,50,000, being debenture allotment money due for 5,000 debentures of rupees 30 each. So company transferred the allotment money to debenture account as a due. Now this due company going to receive through bank account. So bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Here we debited the bank because bank balance increased at the time of collecting second installment. So when bank balance increase, we need to credit according to American approach. It's come under asset category, and we credited to 9% debenture allotment account 1,50,000, 1,50,000, and we should write the narration being 9% debenture allotment money received for 5,000 9% debentures of rupees 30 each. Now let's see the third installment. 9% debenture first and final call account debit to 9% debenture account 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs. Now the first and final call money transferred to 9% debenture account, and we should write the narration being 9% debenture first and final call money due for 5,000 9% debentures of rupees 40 each. This due now company going to receive through bank. So bank account debit to 9% debenture first and final call account rupees 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Even here also bank debited because bank balance increased at the time of third installment, and we should write the narration being 9% debenture first and final call money received for 5,000 9% debentures of rupees 40 each. If you see in all three installments, the entries almost unique. All the bank entries are unique. Let's see. Bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. At the time of second installment, bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account. At the time of third installment, bank account debit to 9% debenture first and final call account. So all the bank entries are similar. The only changes application, allotment, and first and final call. Even all the transfer entries also unique. Look, let's see here. 9% debenture application account to 9% debenture account. 9% debenture allotment account to 9% debenture account, and 9% debenture first and final call account to 9% debenture account. This transfer entries also as similar entries, only we need to change the name of installment as application, allotment, and first and final call. Hope you understood this particular video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.